Hello everybody, the purpose of this video is to go over the Alaris pump and its use with continuous albuterol. In everyone's email you will have all the steps that you need to use the Alaris pump while doing the continuous albuterol treatment. Feel free to print this off and take it to bedside with you. This is what I do every time I'm setting one up just to make sure I don't miss a step. So when the continuous albuterol is ordered, the pharmacy will prepare it. And we will get it in a syringe something like this. The albuterol will need to be transferred from this syringe to our Aerogen syringe. Okay. To do that, I pull back on the Aerogen syringe just a little bit. And as I'm pushing the albuterol in, sometimes you have to pull back on the plunger of the Aerogen syringe. So now we've got the albuterol transferred over. We'll get some of the air out of the top of it. Then we connect this to our administrating line by screwing it on the end. And just a reminder, you will want to prime this line with some albuterol, which I already have primed it a little bit. Okay, you want to make sure you get albuterol all the way to the very end of it. All right. Then this part is what actually screws onto your Aerogen, as such. All right. Now it's time to go over the Alaris pump. We'll hit the system on button to give it time to turn on. And while it's coming on, there's three types of equipment that we will use this on. We use it on a ventilator for an intubated patient. We use it on a ventilator for non-invasive ventilated patients, and we also use it for high flow patients. So as this is coming on, you see it says new patient. So we will just select no. Then it has you choose the unit that you're using it in. That really doesn't matter. It already says pick you, so I'm just going to go ahead and say yes. Now we select the channel that we'll be using. There's nowhere on this screen to do that. So on the syringe pump itself, that's where you choose the channel that you're using, and you will select channel. Press that button. And once I press this button, then a diagram will come on over here on how to put the syringe on the pump. Okay, I'm going to pull this back and I'll twist it over. I'm going to twist this and raise it up. My syringe goes in just like this. You press it in there. You lower this down on it and flip this around to hold it in place, and on this screen you press confirm. Okay, so I press confirm. Now I choose the type of syringe that we're using. It is the BD plastic 50/60 ml syringe. So I press the arrow beside it to highlight it, and then press confirm. Then the next question that it asks you is the infusion menu. You have the infusion menu come up, and you have to choose the route. So we will choose the No Guards Basic Infusion. So you choose the arrow beside that. Press confirm. Now we will choose the rate. Since we're using continuous albuterol, generally we will use 20 milligrams an hour. So we set the infusion rate on that at 4 mLs. But feel free to refer to the table that's inside the slides that will be sent in your email. But generally we set it up on 4 mLs. So I'm going to select the arrow beside the rate. Press 4 for 4 mLs per hour. And then I'm ready to start. So I'm going to hit start, and it has started. It automatically calculated how much albuterol was left in the syringe. And so now it's going to give albuterol to make sure they get 20 milligrams of albuterol per hour. Then you will press the Aerogen generator. To get it to go to continuous, you press and hold it for 3 seconds until the light beside continuous comes on. And now your continuous albuterol treatment has started, and it will run continuous until you stop it. And that is how you use the Alaris pump while giving continuous albuterol. Thank you.